Hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm your friend SG, and in today's video we'll be creating this cool looking UI. This front end part entirely we'll be designing all these animations and hover effects and this transition as well. We'll be designing this entirely from scratch. Okay, so stay tuned to the end and watch the entire video. Okay, let's start then. This is the form that we have created. We have done the entire HTML part. Okay, so let's now jump on to the styling of this. Okay, so in container class we will be adding a background image. I'm using this as the background image. You can use any of the image if you want the same one, or if you want the code, you can find it in the below description. I'll be uploading the code and providing the link in the description. You can take the code or the image from there. Okay, so here is our image. Let's do the height as 100 viewports and the width as 100. This will do the thing, and the image will take the entire screen. Yeah, okay. So let's now style the input fields that we are having. So what all we need? We need the background color to be transparent, and okay, let's say border for 1 pixel. And text to be center, and color of the text will be black. Along with this, we need to change the placeholder text as well. Color of the placeholder text. Yes, so these are the input fields. We can increase their height and width a bit as well. So and let's do the width as 30% for now. Yes, yeah, seems good. Just we'll add a margin bottom. Okay, so now we have to add the animation to this. So whenever the input field is over, it will be pointer, and the width will be, let's say, 60%. Same will happen when the input field is in focus. The width will be by 60%, and here we'll add the transition property. Transition is in on width, or let's say 1 second. Yeah, I guess it will be good. Yes, so right now the width of the fields is a little bit longer, but once we'll add some of the extra CSS, it will be good. Okay, let's continue with that. So now we have added some two classes, dot back and dot front. These two classes are used for the front part and the back part. Front part is the login, and the back part is sign up thing. Okay, so let's see. Text align as center. We'll do the background color as RGBA. In order to give the opacity, we'll use the RGBA, and then we'll give border radius. Yes, and I guess okay, these two are separate for now, but once we'll add the transition and the animation, it will be good. And we'll add up 50 pixels. And now we'll have to position it absolutely, and margin from the top, let's give it 10%, and from the left let's give it 28%, and see what happens. Sorry for that. Yeah, they are overlapping because we have given them the position absolute, so both of them are on the same position. Okay, yeah, for now it seems good. And we have to do one more thing. Okay, yeah, okay, let's go. And for that we have to add an extra thing, transform as rotate around by 20. So this hides the back part because we have added this to the back thing, so this will hide the back. Okay, let's now style the button, and the styling in the button will be same as the input. So it's just really reduce the width a bit in percent, and button on over the width, let's say 30%, and this transition, yeah, I guess it's good. So the button has also changed. This is working fine. Now let's work on this. These are the options that we are. So it will be display as flex, and the flex direction will be row. Justify content with space evenly, and we'll give a margin of 10 pixels and 0 pixels. Okay. Yeah, looks a little bit good. Just we'll add a little bit margin on the H1 tag as well. Now the individual options and we'll be working on this. So we have to add an okay. So if you have seen my previous videos, then you can find this as well. I have used this in some of my previous videos as well. The same property. And we'll do the width as 0 for now, and the background color will be black, and we'll then add a transition. Time, let's say 1 second. Change the width to let's say 100%, and the cursor will be pointer type. Okay. Yeah. The cursor didn't changed. Why it didn't changed? Okay. Sorry. Cursor here won't work. So for the over property here, and now it will be working fine. Yeah, okay, yes. So the UI is done. Now we'll be adding a little bit of styling to this. Okay, in order to add a little bit of the animation will only be working once we have added a little bit of styling, a little bit of CSS to this main div, the form div. Okay, so we'll be giving a transition property on all things for 1 second. Let's say ease in out, and then transform style should be preserve 3D. It should preserve the 3D rotation. I'll show what happens if I don't use this one. Okay, so now we'll add this script. We'll create a function called flip, which will take the main form. Inform.style.trans. Let's make it 180. Okay, yeah. And now we'll call this flip function on here. So this flip function, yep, here and here. Okay, so we are good to go. Yes. So see what happened. It reversed them by 180 degrees. Because why did this happen? Because we haven't used this preserve 3D. It didn't rotated it in a 3D form. It just rotated it in 2D. So in order to rotate it 3D, bring the back part to the front, we'll be using this transform style to preserve 3D. Now let's refresh and see, everything is working fine. So now, hola guys, we have created this UI, great UI. So buckle up, you have created this entire UI, and stay tuned to the channel. I'll be bringing more and more videos like this. We'll be creating more and more animations and cool UI. I'll be bringing some more UI where I'll be creating entire landing pages and other stuff. So till then, stay tuned to the channel. And if you want anything, videos on any of the particular topics, you can join my Telegram channel, message me there, or you can put it in the description as well. Sorry, not the description, the comment as well. Yeah, okay, thank you. Bye bye.